Hello everybody, long time no see, but here I am creating videos again. I'm Michael, and in this video I would like to talk to you about the roadmap for this channel's future. While I talk a bit about the channel and all the new things I'm really excited about, I will show you some of the planned content in the background of this video, so keep your eyes open. Let's start a bit with the past. So, why haven't I been updating this channel more regularly? When I started this channel, I wanted to create the kind of tutorials I like to see more often myself. Good structured, informative, visually explained well, and straight to the point. So I set my standards high, and that simply made producing the videos becoming more time consuming. Because I put a lot of effort into planning, texting, and editing these. To be honest, it was hard to find time for the channel between jobs, my own education, and my family. That's why I'm deep in the planning phase of a Patreon and a Ko-fi page. So there will be an easy way for those who want to support me and the channel. The plan is to gather around enough generous folks like maybe you to reserve some time each month only for creating content for this channel. Time without distraction by jobs and busy clients. So what can you expect next? A new tutorial about how I use Adobe Illustrator for character design coming within the next few days. And I'm also starting to work on my own video game, a platformer called Pauline and her backpack Panda. So the biggest change will be the addition of game design related topics. So expect content about 3D art and animation using Blender, doing real-time visual effects using particles and shaders in Unity, and a devlog about the progress of my own game. And last but not least, of course, an introduction of what to expect from the Patreon subscription. I'm Michael, and I thank you for your support and thank you for your time. I hope you stay tuned. Bye!